Hello friends, the question is like this. Find the area of the triangle with vertices at the point given in each of the following. So friends, in this question we have been given these three parts and we have to calculate the area of the triangle having the vertices in order in each of the following. Okay, so in the first part we have to find the area of the triangle with vertices as 1, 0, 6, 0 and 4, 3. Okay, so first of all we assume that x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 as equal to the coordinates given. Okay, and using the formula that area of the triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 times the determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. On substituting the value of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, we can write the area of the triangle as equal to 1 upon 2 times the value of this determinant. Okay, so it's quite simple till now. Now we have to solve this determinant, multiply with 1 by 2 the value obtained of the determinant, and we get the area of the triangle. Okay, now to solve the area of the triangle we have to solve this determinant, and first thing we see that this column C2 has 2 zeros in it. Okay, so we expand along that row or that column which has maximum number of zeros, so the calculation would become easy. Okay, so we are going to expand this determinant along the column C2, and the signs in the expansions are in the order minus, plus, minus for the column C2. So we are going to get the area of the triangle as equal to 1 by 2 times minus 0, because 0 into the determinant obtained after removing the rows and column would again be equal to 0. Second term is 0, so we are going to get 0 as the next term of the expansion, and the third term would be equal to minus 3 times the determinant obtained by removing this row and this column, that is 1, 6, 1, 1. Okay, so now the calculation have become very easy. Only we have to solve this term. These two terms are nothing. So we are going to get the value of determinant as equal to 1 by 2 times minus 3 into 1 minus 6. That is equal to 15 by 2 square unit. Minus 5 into minus 3 would be equal to 15. That is 15 upon 2 square unit. So this is the answer to the part 1. Okay. Now in the second part we have to do the same thing. We have to find the area of the triangle with the vertices 2, 7, 1, 1 and 10, 8. So we assume x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 as the points 2, 7, 1, 1 and 10, 0 respectively. Using the formula for the area of the triangle, I can write the area of the triangle as equal to 1 upon 2 times 2, 1, 10, 7, 1, 8, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now to solve this, we will have to expand this determinant, and since we can see that the terms are quite simple, we can expand about any row and column. There is no such value which could make the solving of the determinant very easy. Okay, so that is why I'm going to expand the determinant along R1, that is row 1, and the sign would be taken in the order plus, minus, plus in the expansion. So the value of the determinant will be equal to 1 by 2 times 2 into the determinant obtained by removing this row and this column, that is 1, 1, 8, 1, minus 7 times the determinant obtained by removing this row and this column, that is 1, 10, 1, 1. Okay, and similarly 1 into the determinant obtained by removing this row and this column, that is 1, 1, 10, 8, 1, 1, 10, 8. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 minus 8, this will be equal to 1 minus 10, this will be equal to 8 minus 10. So we are going to get the value of the area of the triangle as equal to 1 by 2 times 2 into 1 minus 8 minus 7 times 1 minus 10 plus 1 into 8 minus 10. This can be further simplified as equal to 1 by 2 times 2 into minus 7 into minus 9 plus 1 into minus 2. Okay, so this will be equal to minus 14, this will be equal to plus 63, this will be equal to minus 2. So I'm going to get these terms, and this on solving would give me 47 plus 47. So area of the triangle would be equal to 1 by 2 times 47, or 47 upon 2 square units. This is the answer to the part 2. Now we are going to take the third part. So similarly, we are going to solve as the part 1 and part 2, and we are going to assume that the vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 respectively. Using the formula for the area of the triangle, I'm going to write that area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 times this determinant, that is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 replaced by the vertices. Okay, I think there is no problem regarding the substitution. Okay, now again we are going to solve by expanding along R1. You can check for the signs in expansion along R1. So I'm going to get the value of the area of the triangle as equal to 1 by 2 times minus 2 into 2, 1 minus 8, 1 minus times minus 3 into 3, 1 minus 1, 1. You can see we will have to remove this row and this column, and 1 into 3, 2 minus 1 minus 8. Okay, so this will be equal to 2 into minus minus 8. This will be equal to 3 into minus minus 1. This will be equal to minus 24 into minus minus 2. Okay, so this is so we are going to get a plus sign here, a plus sign here, and a plus sign here. Okay, and this minus minus again become plus. Okay, so this is going to further become 10 plus 4 minus 22. Okay, and this 10 into 2 has become minus 20, and this 4 into 3 has become 12, and this minus 22 remains as it is. Okay, so on solving, we are going to get the values as equal to 1 upon 2 times minus 30. That will be equal to minus 15. But the area of the triangle cannot be negative. So therefore the area of the triangle is equal to modulus of minus 15, that is equal to 15 square unit, which is the answer to the part 3. So this is how we are going to solve this question.
To watch more of these super videos and for the latest update, subscribe and like the videos on these YouTube channels, HSK Shiksha and Maths Help by HSK. Thank you.